Hello viewers, I am your host Angelina. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be exploring the world of AI tools for creating illustrations. You may have heard of Midjourney, the popular AI tool that's been making waves in the illustration world. But did you know that there's another AI tool out there that's completely free to use? That's right, no subscription fees, no hidden costs. Let's have a look at this alternative AI tool by exploring its features, strengths, and weaknesses.
So, open Google and after typing Lexica, press Enter. Once the results have been extracted, click on the first link, which will redirect you to its official web platform. Lexica.art is an innovative AI-powered tool specifically designed to help artists, designers, and creatives generate, analyze, and interpret visual artworks, such as paintings, drawings, and photographs. Users can browse the website to view previously designed artwork or generate new illustrations by providing a desired description. Here we have some of the sample AI illustrations which have been generated by this platform, such as some cartoon characters, oil painting along with some natural designs generated by AI. Here you can review the descriptions used for generating these sample illustrations by just hovering an image. Let's get started by generating our own AI illustration inspired by this one. So, here are some provided keywords which have already generated the below illustration. Now let's provide our own keywords, for adding which, you will have to sign up first, which will not cost anything at all. Let's continue with Sign in with Google option. Once you have logged in your account details, then you can generate unlimited illustrations without any cost. Let's describe our required illustration such as a haunting cat, and we don't want to have the blurry ones, so let's type it in the negative prompt. After that, press the Generate button and it will start processing the illustration. Here on the right side we have multiple other options of image sizes and grid guidance. Once the processing is completed, we can see the generated results according to our provided description, which have multiple other options for updating, upscaling and downloading the resulted illustrations. Furthermore, you can explore some more images of real-time humans on the homepage of Lexica, such as AI illustrations of oil paintings, cartoons and young girls, etc. And all these are always free of cost. Sounds exciting? Do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more exciting videos.